My name is Fiona. I am 29 years old. I live with a pain that does not leave me. And last Friday, my life almost ended. I had no idea that my past, my darkest nightmare, was already waiting for me. It was a normal evening. I was tired from work. I wanted a quiet weekend. I wanted peace. For years, I thought, the worst part of my life was behind me. My father left when I was 10. My mother died 2 years later. I grew up in my uncle's house, but his wife hated me. So, at 18, I escaped. I found a job. I built my life with my own hands. And then I met Brian, the man who destroyed it. He was sweet in the beginning. He brought me flowers. He made me feel safe for the first time in my life. But slowly, I saw the cracks, the anger, the lies, the nights he disappeared, the moments when his eyes turned cold, like he was someone else. And one night, the police came. They asked questions. They searched the house. They arrested him. And I learned the truth. Brian was not only dangerous, he was a criminal, a violent one, a man who hurt people in the dark and left no trace, a man who smiled at me in the morning and broke someone's life at night. I left him. Last Friday, I entered the metro with relief. I held my bag close and leaned on the cold window. I was thinking about a trip with my friends, 2 days in the mountains, laughing, resting, breathing fresh air. My heart felt light for the first time in a long time. But then the train stopped, the doors opened, and everything in my body froze. He walked in. The man who should have been locked behind bars for 10 more years. Brian. At first, I thought I was dreaming, or maybe losing my mind. But then he lifted his head. His eyes met mine, and he smiled. Not a warm smile, a smile that cut through my skin, a smile that said, "I found you." My hands shook. My throat felt tight. I could not move. I could not breathe. I could not think. Brian stepped closer, like he owned the ground under his feet. "Hello, Fiona," he whispered. "It's been a long time." I wanted to scream, but no sound came out. He sat beside me like we were old lovers on a date. His voice was soft but cold. "I missed you. Did you miss me?" I stared ahead, trying to keep my body still. "You left me," he said. "You forgot me. But I did not forget you." My heart slammed against my ribs. How are you out?" I whispered. He leaned closer. I could smell the smoke on him. "People make deals in prison," he said, "and I made mine." He reached for my hand and covered it with his. My fingers went cold. "Fiona," he said softly, "I was going to propose to you before the police came, before they ruined our life." I looked at the train door and prayed it would open. "Let go," I whispered. "Please let go." When the train stopped again, I ran. I pushed through people. I ran up the stairs. I did not look back. But I could hear him. "Fiona, stop running. You know I always catch you." The words stabbed into me like knives. I ran out of the station and into the street. I turned a corner and someone grabbed my wrist. His grip was strong, too strong. "Do you know how much I thought of you in there?" he said. "You were my reason to survive." I tried to pull away, but he held tighter. "You left me alone in prison," he said. "You didn't visit, not even once." "Let me go," I whispered. He tilted his head. "You forgot me, Fiona. That hurt me." His eyes filled with something dark, something dangerous. "And now I want you back." I felt my heart drop. He was not here to talk. He was here to take me. A bus passed. People walked by. No one saw. No one cared. "Come with me," he said. "I have a place far from here. No one needs to know." I felt sick. I felt trapped. But then a sound saved me. A police car turned onto the street. Its lights flashed over us. Brian dropped my arm. His face twisted. "Fiona, not a word," he hissed. "Not a word, or I will come back for you." He stepped back into the shadows. Then he was gone, just like that. My legs shook. I could not stand straight. I walked home like a ghost. My door felt cold under my hand. I locked every lock. I sat on the floor and I cried because he was out. He was free and he wanted me again.